angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what are their hidden feelings for you, what your lover, twin flame, soulmate, crush, what are they hiding, what they are not telling you, friends. Yes, this is the intimate love messages reading. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share, friends. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. And do subscribe, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general reading and a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com, friends. So let's begin. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, this beautiful fairy pink flower. Option number 2, this beautiful fairy blue flower. Option number 3, this beautiful red red flower. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there for the number or timestamps. If not, you can also watch the entire video, no problem in watching the entire video. You may be drawn to more than one piles also. So yeah, let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful fairy pink flower, what is your person hiding, not telling you? Let's see. These are your advice cards, and this is, we're gonna look at it in a while. Your cards are 4 of Cups, the Emperor, okay, the 6 of Pentacles, ooh, the 10 of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the High Priestess, Ace of Cups, ooh la la, oh my. Oh wow, I feel your person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you, our viewers, could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also getting a lot of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, so maybe this person is Pisces or Scorpio. That is also coming. I feel you had a major ending with this person, or currently they are going through a very tough time in their life and they are not telling you. A very tough time. Your person is going through a lot of difficulties and they are not sharing it with you. I don't think so you know that this person is having some trouble, because they are a leader. This person is quite strong. Your person is quite strong. They show they are in control, they are in charge of their life. They are a leader, but I think right now they are struggling to come to terms with the ending they had with you. I don't think so you and this person are in contact right now or in communication. I feel this person, it could be also a new connection, but something you are not talking, or something like, an abrupt stop has come. I feel this person is going through something, some major ending. Also, this person has a lot of responsibilities. I feel this person really, they are hiding. Is that what are they hiding? That they really like you. See, they are looking at you, they keep stalking your social media. Your beauty draws them mad. They are madly drawn by your beauty, your success, your power, your intelligence. Everything that you have, this person adores and loves about you. I think our viewers are very intelligent and you have a beautiful, charming personality. This person is completely adoring you. They just adore you. They are, how do I say this? They can't take their eyes off you. But I feel this person definitely stalks your social media. They are also using their friends or some fake ID or some other way to stalk you. Or if you have common friends, this person keeps asking them about you. I feel the main thing they are hiding is they are going through a lot of challenges right now, and they are feeling like they are struggling for money also, or with money issues, and with finances, and like whom they have a lot of responsibilities or duties, so which like they are juggling work or education. I think this person could be working or having a job or education also at the same time, or they are handling two jobs. So they are like, which how do I balance it? How do I balance it? They are hiding it. I think this person also wants to gift you something and they are hiding it. They are not telling you this. They want to gift you a book, or they have gifted you a book, or they have given you something in the past, and they want to give something more to you, like a book, or maybe some songs, or collection of music, or some perfumes, or I think it's a book, or it's something that you can learn something like crystals. I don't know. This person wants to give you something, but they are not giving it right now because they are hiding it. What they are hiding, that's it about. I also feel this person feels like they have missed out on you. They feel they lost a chance with you. You have other options now. You will not accept them, but they are completely focused on you. Completely absolute. It's like this entire energy is concentrated here. This person is absolutely focused on you, and they feel like if you have other options, and if they come towards you will reject them like, nope, nope. I feel this person feels a lot of love for you, whether you are in contact or whether you had an ending. I definitely feel 50% of you had a very bad ending with this person because of their ego, and because of their controlling, dominating nature, because they were choosing work, money, other people, or they didn't choose you at all. I think there has been an ending, but what they are hide for some of you, not for all of you. Others, I feel you are still in contact more or less. Like you talk sometimes, but not usually. But this person really loves you. They really, really, really loves you, and they find you very spiritual. They find that you have a very caring nature, a very forgiving, and a very you have a very strange. You are very strong, but yet you are very sweet. So they find it very different from who they are. This person is strong, but they are also very strong in their. They are not sweet or sweet. You are strong, but you are sweet and compassionate. So they feel a lot of love for you. They feel a lot of love, and not just that, there is also an Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, breakthroughs. They want a breakthrough with you. They want to charm you, win you back, and they want to be yours. They feel like, but now you have other options, and if they come and invest with you, or tell you their feelings, you might reject them. Let's see your other card. Daydreams and decisions, number 7. See, they are taking some decisions regarding you or this connection. They are daydreaming and fantasizing about you. Number 7 is like a lot of love, Neptune, lot of affection, but also fears. Like, will I be rejected? Do they have other options? She's so powerful. He's so powerful. What will I do? You know, they are keeping a constant watch on you, that's for sure. Let's see what else. What is this person hiding, angels? What is this person hiding? I feel they also are hiding the fact that they respect you a lot. Your intuition, your beauty, your intelligence, your the way you are handling this situation right now. They are completely like, oh my God. If you are a man and she's a woman, she is hiding that she sees you as this. Marriage material, the husband for her. She's hiding it, and she sees you as the husband material. She feels she wants a new start, but she's completely hiding it right now. And if she's a woman, if you are a man and you are asking about a woman, I think she's very mysterious. So It's not easy to know her. That's why you are asking here, like, what is she hiding? It's why is it so tough to know her? I think it is because she's very mysterious. She's very mystical. She doesn't reveal herself a lot, even though she is like she might be an open book. She might not have any secrets, but she doesn't share with everybody, you know. She doesn't have any secrets or something like that, like any bad motives, but she doesn't open up to everybody. That is why you feel she's hiding something. She's very deep. She's very deep if you are asking about a woman. So, what is this person hiding, angels? What is their person hiding? Option 1. Okay. The tribe, yeah, this person feels you are their soulmate, you are soul contacts, you are soul friends. They know you belong to each other. This person definitely knows that and they are hiding it. Number 8 is like they know that you are destined for each other, and this card just jumped out right now, fell down from the cards. Exchanging gifts, number 27. Wow, see, I told you there is something about gifts here also. I felt a leg up, number 34. So 34, 28, 29, 27, 11, 11, 8, 19 are important. I feel the June, July, August are also important. I feel this person is hiding that they are trying to work on themselves and get better for you. They are hiding that fact. They still have affection for you. They have still a lot of feelings for you. They are hiding it. They want to talk to you and they just can't live without you. I also feel this could be someone new that you have never dated. They are eyeing you, they are watching you, they feel a lot of love for you. So you can take it as any situation in your life, not just like someone you have broken off with. No, I feel this can also be someone you have just met. They have not proposed you, but they have so much love. They want to exchange, they want to talk with you, they want to share gifts with you, share knowledge, even do a collaboration or something. My god, what will this person do next? Their next move. Deep knowing. This person knows, man. This person knows. They know you are the one for them. They also know that you and them are perfect. They also have some decisions to make. They are confused right now, but I do see they will make the right decisions because they are intelligent, they are wise. And let's see your advice, then we'll see what they want to say to you. The advice for this connection: don't let your past hold you back. The South Node. See, I told you. Something is from the past, like you feel they didn't give you the time, the attention, or they feel like you have other options. So there is something from your past, from each of your past, from your person and you know, that's holding you back. So you need to release it because South Node is like, you know, you need to work on these things. You need to let go of the past issues so that this new start, this clarity, this new love, this new connection, or this reunion can come together for you. I also feel this is like a very learning connection. Like there is a lot to learn from each other in this connection. That's what you are not listening to or not being open at right now. Angels, what this person wants to say. I think you're twin flames, maybe because you both are coming out so strongly as very strong leaders or very strong people. Maybe you are twin flames, 1111, both of you. So there is a need to let go the past, you know. There is a need for that. Oh, that's a lot of cards. Let's see what this person wants to say to you. Your beauty blinds me. I can't think clearly now. I told you, friends, this person is obsessing over your beauty. Look at here. This person cannot take their eyes off you. Your beauty blinds me. I can't clearly think right now. And I am struggling with inner child issues. I told you they are having a tough time. I told you. They are having a lot of tough time right now. They are hiding it because they keep this thing like, oh, my life is in control. I'm super chilled. You know, I'm the boss. My life. This person might not have a penny or any money in their account, but they will dress up like, they are the king or the queen. And you would wonder, and they would behave like that also, because they just don't like sympathy or people, trying to. This person has a lot of self respect. And I think so our viewers have. I'm struggling with inner child issues now. I know you are not telling the truth. Yeah, this person I told you, they feel you have someone else. Or you have chosen, or you have made your mind. They feel like you have made up your mind to not deal with them ever again. So they know that you are not, or you have told them that you don't love them. I feel, yeah, this person feels, you have said, our viewers have told them, yeah, see, I don't love you. Go away. I don't love you. Not anymore. It's gone, baby. But I think they know that I know you are not telling me the truth. Let's see what else. You trigger me and my past wounds, oh dear. This person is actually obsessing about you. I am thinking, so that's why, past wounds is here again. So that's the advice. You need to forgive or forget the past in this connection, at least for now. I am thinking a lot about you lately. Yeah, definitely. This person is thinking a lot. They are hiding it, they are not telling you that. Expect a phone call, text, or a meeting. Yeah, they have decisions to make. They are dreaming and fantasizing about you. I am not sure I can meet your expectations. Oh my god. I don't think so. This person will ever say that to anybody, that they can't come and meet your expectations, because this person is a leader. They think very highly of themselves. So for them to say this, I'm not sure I can meet your expectations, is like they have so much regard for you, so much of respect for you. This is beautiful. Angels, for the closing, let's take one final message. Oh my god, I dropped the cards, but I will shuffle them and then I'll pull out. Angels, what is the message for option number one? What will happen in this connection for option number one? Wow, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So, absolutely, I think this connection is going to get better, and they definitely have. They want to expect a phone call, text, or a meeting, but you need to stay positive and think positive thoughts. So, that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, Magic Vens Tarot, like, and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number two, this beautiful blue, exotic blue flower, let's see what your person is hiding from you. This is the advice card for you. This is extra messages. Let's see your cards. Do subscribe, friends, if you haven't already. We'll see the love intimate messages which you requested. That I have added them now. I keep adding them whenever I get the time or the feeling that I need to do them, or you all requested. Seven of Wands, the Star, beautiful, the Fool, the Justice, oh my god, Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Here it is. So what is your person hiding and they are not telling you? I feel your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel either you or this person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, very strong Libra energy. So they could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person could be Leo, Aries, or Leo. But I feel mostly Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Leo, and Aries. Wow, I feel this person is trying to hide their emotions for you. This person is trying to really, I think this person is very, very shy. They are very vulnerable. They are very shy person, and they don't talk much, but they feel a lot. I feel you and this person have an age gap, even or like you may be. Yeah, definitely there's an age gap. This person might be slightly younger. It's like maybe 1 or 2 years, or maybe the age gap is more between you and them. I feel this person is trying to open up to you. This person have a lot of unsaid emotions, feelings towards you. This person is not telling you anything. I feel this person could be someone new into your life, or a secret admirer also. Someone who has a lot of feelings but they are not showing you. Even if you know, even if this is an old connection, this person is feeling a lot but they are not at all saying anything. I feel this person could be your twin flame, or you were trying to marry them at one point of time. There are about issues about marriage, fertility, settling, moving together. I think the main thing this person is not telling you is that they want to fight for this connection. If there has been an ending in this connection, or you both are not talking right now, or in no communication, this person wants to fight for your connection. They want to fight for you. They want to show you how much they love you. They want to pursue you. They want to invest in you. They want a new start with you. They want to bring things in balance with you. They are not saying any of those things. This person feels like you are the most exotic thing their life has, the most beautiful and rarest of love. But they are not saying, and look at this card even matches the color. So I feel they have a lot of emotions for you, but they just don't want to say it. Also, this person is not right now working on this connection, but they want to. I feel this person might be creative, artistic, or you are artistic and creative, and I think that maybe this person didn't support you in the past at your work or in life in general, so they want to support you in your artistic achievements, in your career. They want to support you. They feel like you are a wish come true for this person. You are the star. It reminds me of that song. Oh, it's a Coldplay song, I think. Let me just. Angels, which song is it, please? Can you tell me? You're the sky, sky full of stars. I'll give you my heart. Yeah, this person feels you are exotic. They are drawn to your beauty. They love your creativity. They love your hair. I think this person is fantasizing your hair. They are not telling you that. Yeah, that song keeps coming again and again. The star song, You Are a Sky Full of Stars, I'll Give You My Heart. Just check the lyrics of that song. I think there has been some injustice done in this connection. Maybe they left you for another person, or maybe there is a third party going on. Maybe you are not sure. I think our viewers want to cut away this person, like cut away in the sense like, go away, don't come near me, because they had been not sharing their feelings or something like that. So you are upset with this person, but they want to bring things in balance. They want a new start with you. They see that they want, and they are not giving up. They don't want to give up. They don't want to give up. They want to work with you. They see you in their dreams. They see you as their divine, feminine, divine, the husband or wife. They see you as that. Let's see this card also. Love, number 6, spiritual union. You could be twin flames, you could be high vibrational soulmates. I feel there is definitely issues about marriage, or commitment, or moving in, or some legal issues. Maybe this person has some legal issues, like, um, or some soul contract which is affecting. But I feel what they are hiding, they feel a lot of love for you. They want to come towards you. They want to have a new start with you. They want to work for this connection, fight for you. They want to bring things in justice for you. Let's see what else is this person hiding. Maybe this person, angels, can you clarify the justice? Yeah, I think this person has not done something right to you. You may have been hurted, they were immature, maybe they choose someone else, a third party or something. So they know they need to balance, they need to really work hard, they need to, they need to be equal to you, and that means they have to work harder. Whatever they are right now, they are not an equal match to you. They know they need to work harder for this connection to work, and they recognize it. If they have hurt you, they know they have hurt you. I think some of you are asking, did this person ever cried or missed me or ever cried for me? Yes, they did. In fact, I think they often cry and think about you. What is this person hiding, angels? What is this person hiding? What is this person hiding? Okay. Chaos and conflict. See, number 33, 333. See, this person wants to come towards you, but then they again, this person doesn't say a lot. This person is like, they are their own biggest problem. This person is like they want to come towards you, but no. This person is like they love you, but no, they won't say it. So they make their own problems. I think this person is going through a tough, a conflict in their life, confusion in their mind. What is this person hiding? TikTok, yeah, they know time is running away. They know, because I think there is an issue of childbirth or marriage, or they know that they are running out of time. Number 30 may be significant for you. 30, 31, maybe as age also. 30, 33, 25, 29, 22. What else, angels? What is this person hiding? I think this person thinks about you 24/7. They are hiding that. They are very well hiding it. Oh my God. This person is feeling so left out without you. This person is not happy, friends. They are completely feeling left out. They miss you. They want to talk to you, but they themselves are stopping them. And they also know that if they come back, you will ask for how long will you stay? Will you marry me? All those things. You will ask some tough questions. This person knows they need to stay flexible. This person knows that they need to make some changes. Wow. What else is this person hiding from our viewers? This person really misses you. If they left you for someone else, they misses you. They are just waiting for the time they can come back again into your life, because they just are not happy. They have tried adapting to that situation, but nah, they are not happy. What is this person really hiding? Between the worlds, exchanging gifts. Yeah, this person is like they want to be with you. This person is like their world is with you, friends. You are this person's world. They sometimes are like, if this is like, I want to talk to her. No, I don't want to talk to her. I want to talk to him. No, I don't want to talk to him. Yes, no, yes, no. Oh my God. And yes, they want to work with you, exchange gifts with you, share and have some happy times with you. Oh my God. Let's see the advice. And so then we're gonna look into what their messages for you are. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. I think this person is going through an inferiority complex also. Or I think this is also an advice. If you are feeling like you will not find another person and this person is not coming towards you, if you are feeling like this person is, this relationship, you have waited for them since a long, long time, like you have waited for this connection to work out since a long time, the advice is that you are good enough, you can find a new person, you can find love. There's nothing wrong with that. I also feel this person is going through a lot of inferiority complex, and the reminder is that yeah, they are good enough, and maybe they need your support. This is also a very deep reading, because for many of you other things are happening. Maybe this person is married, they need to end that thing to come towards you, or they want to end it. Maybe this person is running out of time or options, like what to do, how to fix this situation. Let's get a clarifier from what they want to say to you. My God, the readings are getting deeper and deeper now. I feel number 3 is also important. Someone's birthday is coming, I feel. They want to wish you. Someone's birthday is coming. And I think they are going to miss you, or they already miss you. Or the birthday just went, recently. What is happening in this? What this person wants to say, angels, to our viewers? Okay, that's a lot of cards. I am running away from your love. I told you, friends, this person is their own biggest problem. I am running away from your love. Why? I get so jealous when others like you or try to win you. They see you as like this blue rose which no one has but they have, and they get so jealous when others are trying to talk to you or be friends with you. I look at your pictures and wonder why we parted our ways. This person is not happy without you. They are just orphaned, they feel left out. Soul contracts are working. I told you they have some soul contracts, some legal issue. Maybe they are married. It could be different from all of you. It could be they are in a third party situation. It could be just that they are not ready right now because you are not good. You are good enough. So maybe they do not feel ready for you right now. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? They did something to hurt you, definitely, but they want your forgiveness. I'm trying to work things out on my side. Definitely, they have a lot of chaos and conflict. So they are trying to work things out. Let's see all these cards. Spiritual union is near for us. Yeah, see, you are both spiritually connected, and that is why you also have this card. If you remember, I remember number 6, the spiritual love. Yes, spiritual union is near for you. Your love shock me. How can you love me so much? This person has never had a love like you. Someone like you, they have never met someone like you. Divine timing is at work, TikTok. Yeah, they know time is running out. They need to do something now. I am seeing things clearly now. Yeah, see? So I think this person is like their own biggest problem, but yeah, I think they are working on it and they really love you. That's what they are hiding. Let's see one final message, angels, for pile number 2. One final message. Oh, romantic feelings and retreat. Yeah, so definitely they want to take you on a holiday, or there will be a chance to go on a holiday together with this person, or you might, you might not talk with them, but like the connection is still growing. Our spiritual union is near. Romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth sharing. Oh my God, I started this reading with that only, that they are not sharing their feelings. They need to tell you how much they love you. Why you are hiding, friends? Love is made to be shared. Love is meant to be explored, shared, and given. Love isn't love till you give it away. So yes, so that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. I keep saying this again and again, but yeah, I say because many people don't subscribe. So do subscribe, like, and share. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Let me know if this reading resonated with you in the comment section. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, let us see what is your person hiding from you or what they are not telling you. This is your advice card. These are the extra cards. We'll also look at the love messages from your person. Your cards are the 2 of Pentacles, the Magician. Very nice. The 5 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 5 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, and the Page of Cup. Feeling alone, number 5. And number 4, joy and stability. That's beautiful. So what is this person hiding? Wow, your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel your person is a very strong Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or they have a lot of water in their chart, like their sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel this person has a lot of fire energy, like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. So or you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. They are very emotional. I feel this person and you have a significant age gap, like you both share a lot of age gap, or like this person is quite young, or like they are quite young looking, And I feel definitely some age gap, some distance between you and this person, like you are in different cities. I feel this person is quite hardworking. So what I feel this person and you both are very hardworking. You might be colleagues, co-workers, or you studied together once, or you were senior or junior in some way, or for some of you. For others, I feel this person and you have some common hobby. So what is this person hiding? Wow, this person is going through a lot of conflict. I feel internal conflict. This person is really confused within themselves. I feel that you and this person has compatibility issues because this person is also quite emotional and very passionate at the same time, or they are very impulsive at the same time. So it's kind of, it's kind of a tricky thing to be very emotional and very impulsive at the same time. I think you and this person have some sort of a fight and argument after which things have been bad. I feel this person has left you, put you into the cold, and you feel very angry. Feeling alone, they have rejected you, they have left you out in the cold. Or maybe you have left this person out in the cold because they were not making any decision, they were not telling you what will happen in the future, where is this connection going, or they had too many. This, I think this person is a workaholic also. They just are obsessed with their work and perfection. I think this person is a perfectionist. Anything less than perfection, they don't like it. They find a problem in it. They also feel, I feel this person is also a cleanliness freak. Like they are always about keep things like this way, do this, do this like this way, keep it neat. So what are they hiding? I think this person is hiding that they are not feeling happy right now. They are feeling a lot of confusion. Their head and mind is saying two different things. They are feeling very, very alone without you. They feel completely lost and clueless. I think you are the happiness of this person's life. You give them something extra in life other than work and money. I think this person doesn't focus on other things, but you, when you came in their life, they actually thought about other things like partying, going out, enjoying a meal, enjoying the simpler things in life. And they are completely missing it now. They see that you are very, very far away from them and they don't know how to bridge that gap. They know they should have chosen you, but they were confused. They still are, they know they made some stupid mistakes. They should have chosen you, they didn't. I also feel this person wants your support right now, but they are not telling you. They are hiding it. They want to support you financially, emotionally, and they also want your support, emotional and financial, or mental support, but they are not telling you this thing. This person is also trying to make a mind to come towards you, to propose you, to contact you, to visit you. I think you both are in different cities, but they are like, they can't decide right now. One day they are like, yeah, yeah, and then the other day, nah, nah, yeah, yeah, nah, nah. Oh God. I feel this person may have had another person for some of you. Maybe they are hiding that. Not like another person, but like some other issue which is keeping them busy and they didn't tell you about. Like maybe it was work or some project, or they were just not clear about the future with you. So that kind of went, things became bad after that. But they are trying to manifest and win. They are trying to manifest you back into their life. They are not telling you this. Maybe this person is your twin flame and they know, like, without you they are incomplete. They are not telling you that. They have now realized it, that happiness is you in their life. Without you they are not happy. Let's see what else is happening. Angels, what is this person hiding? They would definitely want to message you. They want to move towards you. They want to end the fighting. They want to take a decision. They want to actually take you out on a date, or on a very nice, give you some flowers, take you out on lunch or dinner, serenade you, like spoil you, nurture you, because they have rejected you or they have left you, so they feel guilty about it. They are feeling guilty. What is this person hiding, angels? Option number 3. Poised serendipity. Yeah, this person is like, yes, I told you, this person is like, they are seeing, this person is, I told you, they are a cleanliness freak, they are a workaholic. So at work, they just forget about you, or they just don't want, they just don't, when they are at work, things don't bother them so much, but otherwise, they keep thinking about you. They have in their back of their mind, they feel that you and this person. Uh, you both are going to meet again. They know that and they are hiding it. They know this is a destined connection or some destiny is working in this connection. So they know that they want to regenerate this connection, make it better, work on it, but they are not telling you all these things. What else is this person hiding? Also, they are becoming very lucky with money. A lot of money is coming your way to this person's life. They are not telling you that. They are also trying to reach out for you, or they want to reach out towards you in the future. They are not telling you. They might be planning a trip towards you, or they might be planning to call you, or they might be making a song for you, or something like that, or drawing for you. What is this person hiding? Chaos, conflict, tribe. I think that was, yeah, similar from pile number 2. I think you might have got confused between 2 and 3. Or maybe 2 is also resonating with you. What is this person hiding? Unfinished symphony. See, this person knows this business is not over. They know that. Number 10. This is not done yet. They need to come together with you again. They need to fix things with you. They have really, really damaged this connection. Even though you are soulmates, twin flames, they know that, but they have really made this connection bad. I feel, but through art, through creativity, this person wants to bring you back in their life. Unfinished symphony. Let's see what is the advice for you. Balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. See, they need to balance things, friends. This person's life is all over the place. It's like they are always working. They don't have time for anyone. Then they start blaming others and you, and then things go bad. They start feeling like rejected, missed out. So this person needs to balance things. Let's see. But I feel, yeah, they want to come back. They are not telling you that. And they are also trying to make a move towards you, propose you, or give you something. What this person wants to say to our viewers. Okay. Okay. Lots of cards. Let's see. I am getting signs which are guiding me back to you. So definitely this person is having a lot of signs, synchronicities. You see this card, they are getting like they want to reach out to you, and they know they will, because they are getting signs which keep reminding them of you. And we will be together in this lifetime. See, they are trying to assure you that yes, this is not over yet. Unfinished symphony. I will find my way back to you, I promise. They know they have gone too far away, but they will come back. Let us talk one more time and make things better. See, I told you, this person is trying to call, right, or do something like message you. I don't like you right now. I think sometimes this person doesn't like you because you are also strong, and like you don't pamper their ego, so they don't like you. I love you, but I am too scared of this connection. Twin flames, twin flames. Absolutely. Good news is on its way towards you. I know you are not telling the truth. I think this person, I think you need this person, emotional support from this person. They know that. But you both are like trying to not show it to each other. I'm struggling with inner child issues right now, chaos and conflict. Yeah, good news regarding your love life will come to you very soon. Two good news cards are here. This person is going to tell you something, a lot of messages, good news, something is good coming your way. Maybe one day our paths will cross again. See? So this person does have some confusing energy. Like they are very sure at one time and like they can again get confused. So I definitely feel, wow, give your relationship a chance. I could not even shuffle the cards. It just straight away jumped out. So yes, definitely work on your partnership. Give your relationship a chance. They are hiding this and they want to work towards you and work with you and release your ex. Yeah, whatever is the past, or if there is a third party, you need to release it and give your relationship a chance. So what is this card? I am ignoring you. Yeah, they purposefully ignore you. They are trying to show you they are a workaholic because they don't want to tell you how important you are. So that's it for now. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like, share, subscribe, friends. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.